how can we select a row from a data frame? First of all, we read the data from our CSV file, countries.csv. And now we want to select one row from this data frame. And to select a row, we use the iloc integer location index, for example, and we pass the location number to it. This is not the index number or the index label. This refers to the position of the row in the data frame. So currently this has index 0 after I create the data frame, but for example I could sort the data frame by country name, and then Germany will not be in the first place anymore, but still the index label would be 0, but the iloc returns the first row always. This might be surprising sometimes. So remember, iloc integer location always returns the row from the data frame which is currently in this location you indicate here. So with 0 you get the first row from the data frame.